Join me as I challenge myself to see if these secret superfoods can actually make my hair grow faster in just 1 month. In this video, you'll learn about specific superfoods that can help you grow your hair faster and healthier, setting the stage for a luscious mane. Many people struggle with slow hair growth and hair loss, often feeling frustrated and searching for effective solutions. If you're one of them, you're not alone. I've been there too, and it's a really frustrating experience. You start to feel like you've tried everything, from expensive hair care products to fancy salon treatments, but nothing seems to work. But today, we're going to explore a different approach. We're going to talk about the power of superfoods and how they can make a huge difference in your hair growth journey. It's all about giving your body the right nutrients it needs to grow strong, healthy hair. And the best part is that it's completely natural and non-invasive. Think about it, our hair is a reflection of our overall health. If we're not eating the right foods, our hair is going to suffer. It's as simple as that. So, let's dive deeper into this and explore some of the common reasons why our hair growth is slow. For one, it could be due to a lack of essential nutrients like protein, iron, or biotin. It could also be due to hormonal imbalances or even genetics. But the good news is that, regardless of the reason, there are superfoods out there that can help. We will explore various superfoods that are packed with nutrients essential for hair growth, discussing their benefits and how to incorporate them into your diet. These superfoods are not only delicious, but they're also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help promote healthy hair growth. From berries to nuts, and from seeds to leafy greens, we're going to cover it all. So, if you're ready to take your hair growth to the next level, then keep watching because this video is about to get really good. Discover the top 3 superfoods that can transform your hair growth journey, along with tips on how to use them for maximum effect. These superfoods are going to be game changers for your hair growth, and I'm so excited to share them with you. From the best ways to prepare them to the specific nutrients they provide, we're going to cover it all. So let's get started and find out what these top 3 superfoods are. First up is spinach, a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and iron. These nutrients help nourish your scalp and hair follicles, promoting stronger, healthier growth. Spinach is especially great for people experiencing hair thinning due to iron deficiency. Benefits of spinach packed with iron and vitamins. Promotes scalp health. Strengthens hair strands. Tip on usage. Add spinach to your smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish. For an extra boost, pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges to improve iron absorption. Next on the list is eggs, your go-to source for biotin and protein, essential nutrients for hair growth. Biotin helps strengthen hair and prevents breakage, while protein repairs damaged hair strands. Benefits of eggs rich in biotin and protein. Strengthens and repairs hair. Prevents hair breakage. Tip on usage: incorporate eggs into your daily diet through omelets, boiled eggs, or baking. For an external treatment, try an egg hair mask by mixing 1 egg with a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse with cool water. We have berry, a delicious way to boost hair health. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. These combat oxidative stress and help your body produce collagen, which strengthens hair strands. Benefits of berries high in antioxidants, rich in vitamin C, promotes collagen production. Tip on usage: snack on fresh berries, add them to your yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Aim for at least a handful daily to enjoy the benefits. One of my favorite superfoods for hair growth: salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for promoting healthy hair growth. It's also rich in protein, vitamin D, and selenium, all of which are important for maintaining strong, healthy hair. In addition to these superfoods, avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins, and sweet potatoes, which are packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive list of superfoods that you can start using to promote healthy hair growth. While superfoods can work wonders, combining them with healthy habits can take your hair growth journey to the next level. Here are some bonus tips. Massage your scalp regularly to improve blood circulation. Stay hydrated to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. Get enough sleep to allow your hair to repair and grow. To recap, these superfoods can play a crucial role in enhancing hair growth and health, encouraging you to make dietary changes that can have a lasting impact on your hair. Remember, it's all about giving your body the right nutrients it needs to thrive. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite superfood, and subscribe for more hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.